Introduction to Sygic Speed and Toll Alerts.
Sygic Navigation helps make your journeys safer and smoother with real-time speed and toll alerts. Setting these notifications ensures you stay within speed limits and avoid unexpected toll charges. This tutorial will guide you step by step through configuring both alerts in your Sygic app, giving you greater control and confidence on the road.
Accessing the Settings menu.
To start managing alerts, open the Sygic app on your device. Tap the menu icon, usually found in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Here you'll find the options to manage your navigation preferences, including speed limits and toll notifications.
Enabling speed limit alerts.
Within the Settings menu, tap on Warnings or Speed Limits. Toggle the switch to enable speed limit alerts. You can adjust the thresholds, choosing to be notified when approaching or exceeding certain speeds. This feature helps you follow traffic laws and avoid accidental speeding.
Setting up toll notifications.
Go back to the Prompts or Route Preferences section. Look for the Tolls option and enable toll notifications. Sygic will now alert you when your route includes toll roads, helping you plan your journey and avoid unwanted fees. You can also opt for alternate routes that bypass tolls.
Customizing alerts and final tips.
Customize how you receive notifications by adjusting sound, vibration, or visual warning options in the Settings menu. Regularly update your app for the latest features and road information. With both speed and toll alerts set up, you can drive more confidently, knowing you'll stay informed and avoid surprises on your trips.